There's a vulture, he's still there. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Shit. It's about as good as it gets. I don't know if I want to get friendly with that one. One of the few birds I do not want to get friendly with. It's a big freaking sucker. It's got like a 6-foot wingspan. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna throw a peanut. Nope, didn't make it. Come here. He heard me. He moved slightly when I said that. Birdie! Some big, ugly bird. Well, I guess it's not ugly. It's just, you know, a vulture. Uh-oh, he's starting to move. Oh shit, he's moving in. What's he doing? He's moving in closer. Run! Oh man, he's moving closer. Is he coming in? That looks like he's coming in. Yep, he sure is. He's going for the peanut. That is too weird. Come on. That must be crazy. A big old dummy. Where'd he go? Right there. Alright, I'm gonna keep this down to 3 minutes. I do believe that's the limit for the shorts. I'm not sure. He's getting closer, which is kind of disturbing. Alright, that's enough for now. I do not want to get friendly with that one.